Only on 2 neighbors with parking frustration slapped with surprise tickets. It's happening in the back of the Yards neighborhood. People know they're parking illegally, but they tell CBS 2's Stephen Graves the city is to blame for leaving them with nowhere to go.
This is what neighbors call the parking nightmare on South Damon Avenue. Construction cones push traffic to one side, eliminating parking there. It's illegal to do it right in front of me. So people say they're just running out of options, and now they're paying the price.
They giving tickets out now?
Yeah, we get tickets now.
Herdestein, Washington is the latest to be slapped with that $100 ticket on her car where she parked.
Where I was at, one corner, it was illegal. And I knew that, but I had no place else to park.
That's because she says this city sewer project work is pushing her out. For the past weeks, she was okay parking where she was until the tickets popped up. And now she feels like there's a lack of urgency from the city.
We don't see any work being out here done ever anymore.
Notices on trees say work started early this month, but neighbors think it's gone on way longer. They say the parking restrictions have forced people to double park and go into other neighborhoods.
Who wants to park all the way down there and have to walk 2 blocks?
Phyllis says she certainly doesn't want to and fears if her handicap space is taken, she can't.
I mean, I've seen construction, but not this long.
We reached out to the city, and a spokesperson for the water department said most work is being done underground. To her understanding, it would be rare to see work vehicles on the street, but neighbors say they just want to see the headache go away. Those signs on trees say work should wrap up here in November, but as neighbors continue to look into this, so will we, and we'll keep you updated. Reporting, I'm Stephen Graves, CBS 2 News.
Stephen's story started with a tip from a viewer. If you know anything we should check out, send us an email, cbschicago.com, CBS Chicago Tips at cbs.com.